BJ Tidrick, and I'd like to introduce you to my Vintage Modified. This is a project that I've started on a little bit ago. It is a Ford 1920 Ford Model A sedan delivery. It's got that big, beautiful roof on it. It is a Port City center section that I've modified pretty heavily. I've narrowed it a bit so that I could get this Camaro clip. This is a Camaro or a stock stub class. All these cars run these stock streetcar stubs. There's a few different designs, but I chose to go with the Camaro design. I've done some major modifications to the crossmember, as we'll see as this build goes on. But I talked to Joe Constance with Joe's Racing Products, joesracing.com. Tons of great race car products, guys. Great tooling parts, just top of the line in their industry. Just awesome, awesome stuff. Check out their 2021 line. And this, after speaking with Joe Constance, he showed some excitement, and we've talked about putting this car in the PRI show for the 2021 PRI in December. I'm really excited about this build. I've got a lot of unique ideas on it, and I started my YouTube channel earlier this year, and I thought, you know what, this would be a really fun project to do over the summer into the fall as we prepare for the PRI show. I love building beautiful race cars, and I love unique stuff. I'm a fabricator, and this kind of stuff just gets me really excited because it's not the same Legos that we put together with our super late models and the pro lates. So this is something that's got a lot of hand fab, and I'm really excited to not only build this, but to share it online. And my goal is to, maybe not weekly because I've got a lot of other projects, but every couple weeks post a video, maybe the GoPros set up and doing like a, kind of like a time lapse as the build goes on, and I could stop it at certain points and show you guys why I do certain things, just to help you guys better understand your own race cars and how they work. Ultimately, if you guys can learn something from the build, we could build some excitement for the PRI show, and in turn build this really awesome, unique race car. I think it'll be a win-win for everybody. This is where we're at. I've got several things that I've got finishing up, and then I'm ready to pull the roof cap off and start doing all the interior. And I'll show you guys step by step how I do the interior, how I map it out, how I design it. We'll get all the interior done. We've got some engine stuff, some more rear suspension stuff that we'll finish up. Get the body back on it, build the whole body, then take it all apart and start powder coating it and painting it. Ultimately, my idea for this car is this really, really radical looking shoebox that's got some wedge to it, just something unique and aggressive. I've taken the time to flatten this side out to try to build more side force with this side of the car, kind of like you see in the Whelen Modifieds, the Northeast Modifieds, the ground pounders. They run a lot of wedge in the side of that body. They run a lot of angle in it to try to keep the side force in the car so they can drive it, maybe a little more free because they use that air to keep the car straight. Just like you see in the NASCAR trucks, how they've got the bed of the truck kind of skewed over to keep the air on that spoiler, on that quarter panel. We've done a little bit of that with this. I'll show you that. I got this really, really cool idea. So I've drawn up this picture. This is the original drawing that I made for the car. This was basically my idea on paper before I ever started with any steel. I've also got a couple of other sketches that I really didn't like so much. I didn't really like the way the body curved back on that one. I like the way this current body has that aggressive drop to the back. Yeah, I can envision it. So, yeah, now that you see it, yeah, I'm excited. As we go along, share the videos, share them to your friends if you think that they might get a kick out of the whole thing. If you have any ideas, message me. I'm just really excited to get it going. So we're going to post this video, and then the next one is going to be in a couple of weeks. I'll start setting up my cameras and going as I get a chance. But we definitely are putting time on this thing, and this just motivates me to get more stuff on video and get more stuff done. So I'm going to show you real quick where we're at on this one. So now that you've had a chance to take a look at it, I hope you're as excited as I am, and you look forward to these videos coming out. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share to, like I say, your friend if you think he might enjoy it. Yeah, let's build some excitement, and let's make a really cool race car. It's gonna be a fun thing, and we're gonna get it rolling.